Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Naszrullah Nasurdin. My metric number is 1713723775. I'm from RY40 and my topic for this presentation is displaying IP address, MAC address and name on serial terminal with using ESP32. This is an overview for this presentation. The first is circuit setup, then we'll go through with port setting, include the adjusting baud rate value. Next is design program using Arduino ESP32, then followed with download and compile using Arduino IDE. And for the last is display the output on serial terminal, which is the output is the first is IP address, second is MAC address, and third is student name, which is my name. Then this is the circuit connection of this presentation of this task, which is the first, as what you can see at the middle of this this slide is 0.47 microfarad capacitor. It is used as auto programming. What is auto programming? It is used for easier compiling without physical touch on the enable button on ESP32 module. The supply voltage that is needed to power up the ESP32 is at 3.3 volt. Also, not to forget, the connection is to ground is needed to complete the whole circuit. Lastly is the connection to PC through USB connection is to transfer program from PC to ESP32. After finish set up the circuit connection, we proceed to adjust the COM port and also setting the bit per second. To adjust the setting, first we need to go to my computer, right click it and choose device manager, then go to ports and select Silicon Lab UART bridge as what I have labeled in the picture on the first picture, which is the red box. Then go to port setting and change the value from bit per second from 9600 to 115200 as what we can see in the second picture. After finish adjust all of the setting, then we proceed to design the tuner block. From the design as can be seen in the picture, on the black label is the connection of Wi-Fi name, which is in this task I've used multi-sim and MikroTik, and the password is lab system. Then for the looping session is the repeat while do. The ESP32 is searching for the IP and it will keep looping until get the IP value with the delay of 300 millisecond. After get the IP address, then it will display what have been set for the print on new line, which is obtain an IP. Then followed with the next line, which is display the IP address, MAC address, and lastly the student name and what I have typed on the last print on your line, which is Muhammad Naszrullah bin Nasurdin. Then after done design the block, need to download it and run it using Arduino IDE. But first need to adjust the baud rate value, which is change it from 9600 to 115200 as can be seen in the picture with yellow labeled section. Then click compile and upload button. The compile button is to check whether there is an error in the program, and upload is to transfer the program to ESP32. After done uploading, then open the serial terminal to see the output, and we can see for number 1 is the IP address, number 2 is MAC address, for number 3 is the student name, which is my name, Muhammad Naszrullah bin Nasurdin. As a conclusion for this task, to ensure the activity could be done smoothly, there is a certain condition that need to be taken, which is the first is double check the circuit connection, which is need to make sure the circuit connection is correct. Then have to check the port to ensure the program could be uploaded. Then need a good Wi-Fi connection in design tuner blocks. Lastly, remember to change the baud rate value in Arduino IDE to ensure to able get the IP address. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum. Thank you.